Hello everyone. So in this class, we're going to be focused on Python programming. Specifically, we'll talk about data structures, sequences, which includes lists and tuples, dictionaries and sets. We'll talk about functions that you will see are super important. A lot of homework assignments and projects that I will ask you to complete. Basically, ask you to complete a set of functions with some given inputs and outputs. And it's good to develop the habit of functional programming instead of just writing codes line by line and kind of copy and paste the same procedures. We'll talk about control flow. There we'll talk about loops like while loop, for loop. We'll talk about conditional statements like if statement. We'll talk a little bit about exception handlings in Python and how to write codes that don't break. If you face some edge case or weird situation in your code and you want your code to be able to handle that, if time allows, we'll talk about wait and match commands. And finally, we'll talk about reading and writing files that are very important in order to get the data to your Python environment, process it, and then basically save the results somewhere. Now, I will be creating also a repository, and we kind of play around with Git within VS Code environment, so we can use that as kind of a practice to get more comfortable with Git statement and how to interact with GitHub while we are learning about Python programming.